Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ms. Parneet Kaur Chaudhary, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, Nasik. Through this media, we will gain some knowledge on basic electrical safety tips. These tips will help you use your electrical devices and appliances while keeping everyone safe from harm. Have you ever thought of all the ways we use electricity? We depend on electricity to light our homes, charge our phones and computers, operate our domestic appliances. Electricity keeps us warm, makes our homes bright, allows us to access all of our entertainment, enables us to eat a warm meal whenever we want to, and so much more. Electricity powers our lives. Electricity has made our lives more enjoyable in so many ways, but that doesn't mean it comes without its risks. Electricity can also be dangerous if not used properly. Keep these electrical safety tips in mind to avoid accidents and injuries. Don't touch electrical equipments with wet hands or standing on wet surfaces as it can cause an electrical shock. Electrical shock. What is an electrical shock? It occurs when a person touches live wire or damaged wire, causing current to flow through the body. Electrical outlets and appliances should be kept away from water. Since water is a good conductor of electricity, it is advisable to keep electrical outlets and appliances away from water to prevent electrical shock. Before changing light bulbs, always make sure to switch off the supply, or you can take the help of an adult. Do not insert any sharp metallic objects inside the power outlet or socket other than a plug. Never pull a plug from the electrical outlet by its cord. Pull from the plug to avoid potential shock or ask an adult to help you. All outlets and switches should have faceplates. Exposed wiring is a shock hazard. Signs of faulty switches and outlets include sparking or feeling warm to the touch. Both of these conditions indicate an unsafe wiring connection and should be checked by an electrician. Never insert any metal object into an appliance. Keep all cords away from hot surfaces like toasters, stoves, etc. Cords can damage by excessive heat. Never leave electric heaters unattended when in use. Do not overload sockets with plugs. Overloading can be observed by seeing discolored wall plates, burning odor, audible cracking, sizzling and buzzing sounds. Never swim during a stormy weather. If you hear thunder, immediately exit the pool until the storm has passed. Never climb trees or play near power lines and equipment. Same goes for kites and drones. Before you fly them, make sure you are away from any overhead power lines. Make use of proper safety devices. Electrical safety devices like fuses, miniature circuit breakers, earth wires, 3-pin plugs, and earth leakage circuit breakers are used at home for protection. Contact your local electrician to make sure all the safety devices are installed properly. So by using the above tips, you can make use of electricity without causing any harm to life as well as property. Ensure electrical safety, save life and save property. If you found the video useful, do like and share it. And also for more such videos related to electrical engineering, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.